This is Jepson and Daniela Nobrega, and in today's video we will demonstrate how to perform a serial dilution.
When performing a dilution, we first start with a stock solution that we will then mix with water to reduce the concentration of the stock solution. In this experiment, the purpose of this was to find a relationship between the density of the mixture and its concentration. Our first step was to measure the volume of our unknown solution and pour it into a volumetric flask. As seen, we measure the volume by subtracting the final volume from the initial. We'll explain this better in our third step.
And now you get to see just how good Daniela is at pipetting our unknown sugar solution.
On our second step, you can see me pouring the blue water into a smaller beaker, so we could use it later on. Remember, you should never use a substance directly from the jug, always put it into a smaller flask.
On our third step, I measured the amount of water that was going to be mixed with our unknown solution. It's important to notice that when using a graduated pipette, you must take note of the initial and final volumes by looking at the bottom of the meniscus. You then subtract the initial minus the final to get the actual volume of the substance you used. By using the calculator, we subtracted the final from the initial to get the actual volume for our water, which we are using to dilute our unknown substance. Our next step was to calculate the concentration of our new diluted substance. We did this by using the formula C1 times V1 equals C2 V2, where C2 represents the concentration that we're trying to find. And here you can see Daniela plugging in all the known values into the calculator to get the C2 value.
Finally, we were able to graph a line relating concentration and density. We used data points to find a line of best fit that will give us an equation for finding any given density based on the concentration of the substance.